Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Nothing Launcher on any Android. Open the Google, search here Nothing Launcher, simply scroll down, open the Softonic, tap on free download, skip the advertisement, tap on free APK download again. As you can see, file is downloaded, simply open it. In my device, it is already installed, so I will simply update it. Now let's open the Nothing Launcher. Tap on Set as Default. Select Nothing Launcher. Allow all the permissions. Tap on Confirm. As you can see, Nothing Launcher is installed in my device. So this is how you can install Nothing Launcher on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.